Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product breakdowns. In today's video, we're diving into what might just be the best waxing strips you can buy right now. The Nair Hair Remover Wax Ready Strips for Face and Bikini. Whether you're tired of the mess, the warming, or just looking for a smoother solution to facial and bikini line hair removal, this product might be the game changer you've been waiting for. So what exactly sets these Nair Wax Ready Strips apart? First off, convenience. These strips come fully prepped, no rubbing, no heating, and no hassle. You just peel, apply, and pull. That's it. Each box contains 40 wax strips and 4 post-waxing wipes, giving you plenty of use for multiple sessions or touch-ups. And for those who care about what's in their skincare, here's a bonus: these strips are infused with orchid and cherry blossom extract. That means while you're removing hair, you're also treating your skin with soothing, floral-based ingredients. Now let's talk performance. These strips are designed specifically for the face and bikini area, the most sensitive zones when it comes to waxing. And yet, they're tough on short and stubborn hair, grabbing even the fine strands many waxes miss. You can expect results that last up to 4 weeks, which is perfect if you're prepping for vacation, a special event, or just love the smooth feeling of hair-free skin. One of the standout features is that this product is dermatologist tested and safe for all skin types. Whether your skin is dry, sensitive, or somewhere in between, these strips are formulated to be gentle while still effective. Plus, they're alcohol-free and made with a compostable material, making them a bit more eco-conscious than your average waxing product. And let's not forget the post-wipes. These aren't just a throw-in. They're there to calm your skin, remove any leftover wax, and leave you with that polished finish. If you've ever dealt with sticky residue after a wax, you'll know how clutch this little addition is. For shipping and availability, the strips are sold by Amazon.com and can even be delivered internationally. In India, for example, you can get them with a shipping and import fee deposit. They're also available from other sellers, sometimes at even lower prices, which makes it easier to find a deal if you're shopping around. In terms of affordability, these strips come in at just under $7 for 40 strips. That's about 17 cents per strip, which is great value considering what you'd pay at a salon for a single waxing session. Add in the convenience of doing it at home, whenever you want, and you're looking at major long-term savings. To wrap it all up, the Nair Hair Remover Wax Ready Strips are simple to use, kind on the skin, and strong enough to give long-lasting, professional results without stepping foot in a salon. They're efficient, affordable, and perfect for anyone looking to streamline their beauty routine. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you've tried these Nair strips or have another favorite wax brand, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. See you in the next one.